play. Lucky! Where are you? Oh, Lucky is there. Look, I have a new ball. Let's play, Lucky. Catch it. Do not be lazy. Lucky, get up. Let's go for a walk. Lucky, come on. Look, we go now. What is wrong with you? Are you mad at me? Lucky, move. Fine. No play. I do not need you. I go now. Lucky is so strange. I am mad at him. I will not talk to you anymore. I will go play with my friends. Let's play! Yeah! Okay. This is fun. It is. All right, over here. Got it! Not if I can help it. Too slow. Oh, it is time to feed Lucky Den. I need to go home now. Lucky! I am mad at you too. Oh. You say sorry first. I play now. I will not talk to Lucky anymore. Lucky? Lucky, wake up.
Bob, did you feed Lucky?
No! I am mad at him. I will not care about him anymore. Bob, what did you promise? You must take care of Lucky.
I know. I will feed Lucky now.
This is so annoying. Eat now. Oh, Lucky, do not be silly. Come on, eat. I say eat now. Ah! Oh! Lucky? Wake up! No! No! Mom! Lucky! Lucky is not awake! We must take Lucky to the hospital now! Lucky, please stay strong. back now! Hold on tight! Please! I am sorry. I am so sorry. I did not know you are sick. I left you alone.
The puppy has a broken leg, so he became weak, stopped eating, and fainted from exhaustion.
Lucky! You are here. I am sorry. I will not leave you again. It is okay, Bob. Lucky is safe now. Everything is okay. Eat slowly, Lucky. I stay with you.
I am so bad. I was mad at you when you were hurt. I understand now. When you are quiet, you need help. Lucky, please get well soon. We will play ball together.
Don't worry, little buddy. You'll feel better soon. Whimper. Good job, Lucky. Your leg is better now. Be careful, Lucky. Do not hurt yourself. We should not stay mad at our best friend. Maybe they need our help. So we should care more about our friends and keep our promise to take care of them.
But Lucky, why did your leg get hurt? Woof!
If you want to know why Lucky broke his leg, please like, share, and subscribe to find out.